Hello friends, first enter Google Play Store or App Store. Then search by typing ReLens camera. And install. Then open it. From here click on DSLR Blur option. Allow permission. Then select your photo from gallery. And from here you can control blur using aperture. You can also use some free presets from the preset option. Before and after. Click this save icon to save the photo. Thanks for watching the full video. Stay tuned by subscribing the channel for next video.